Go ahead and tell me your name.
Antonio.
Don't whisper now. And we're at the Blendery. We're here with Tim. Tim's bachelor.
Whispering's your deal, remember?
Hey, that's the way you draw them in. Make sure y'all paying attention. Exactly. Now, this guy won Battle of the Blends. If you don't mind, what's it like doing Battle of the Blends? I've never seen it. I've never been a part of it. I'm going to make sure that we capture as much of it as possible. You won it. How much pressure do you facing this year?
Not facing any pressure. I feel great. We came in last year with no expectations. Our team rocked with not a ton of knowledge, but ended up making something that was great, and everyone enjoyed it. So.
And when you say knowledge, what is it that you didn't know about whiskey?
You really don't necessarily know how to make a blend. You just kind of put a bunch of things together and see how it turns out.
So that's what I was telling you. I mean, you're trying all these different things, and everything is totally different, and there's hundreds of thousands of combinations. He found a good combination. Doesn't really matter if you know the most about whiskey, don't. It actually, I was telling some guys over there that it hurts you if you
know too much.
Think you know, because then you do what you think you
well, now
are
you're
doing.
Looking for something specific.
Yeah, if it's random, then it's almost
more beneficial.
Better. Yeah, it's almost better.
That's interesting. So you're competing again, I presume. And what was it like? Again, I don't. What was it? Was a time thing? Feel like
time was different. We ended up, I think 2 of our 4 guys ended up tasting the final blend because we just ran out of time. So we had to go rapid fire in the last 5 minutes. We had 2 of the 4 that tasted it, said they liked it, and we just ended up going with it. So it worked out well.
And how many rounds? So each round somebody gets knocked out, I presume.
Yeah, majority get knocked out. So there'll be 6 teams per bracket. The top 2 advance. So majority is getting knocked out.
It's like March Madness for whiskey.
It kind of is, yeah.
Yeah, but more cutthroat, even worse.
Okay. Well, we'll stay tuned, people. We're gonna walk you through. Tim's gonna walk you through the math. We didn't get this on the big camera, so also walk them through what you enjoy most about blending stuff and being able to be here with your own custom bottles.
It's just a cool experience. You know, you end up with just 3 or 4 different barrels that you've never had before. You can try which combination you prefer. Some of them are really good, some of them are really bad, and end up walking out with something that's customized, personalized to help you remember the experience. So it's pretty cool.
So that's one of the tricks, is because the majority of things you try aren't going to be your final blend. But if you're making a large batch of it and you're drinking all of it, then you're toast. You won't make it the hour. So you need to try just a little bit, and if you know
drink
it's
a
not
lot
right,
of water, eat a lot of pretzels.
Yeah, then don't finish it, dump it, move on to the next thing. You'll see people drinking the whole thing, and then like I see them 10 minutes in, it's like they're not gonna last.
That is crazy, man. So guys, as I told you before, is this your phone?
That's me.
The ringer all loud, messing up the video.
Hey man, that's business.
Look, I jerk.
Yeah, that one won double gold in New York.
Oh, nice.
And got us the Texas Rye Distillery of the Year again.
Didn't Double Jeopardy do that too?
It won gold, not double gold.
Okay.
So I'm just matching the ratios right now of their blend. And so basically scaling it up. And 709, Antonio, will you grab that bottle 709 from next door just to get a little bit? So when we have a blend, we'll pull something from the barrels either the day before or the day of, and then we'll put it in stainless like this. So then, yeah, and we try to get an idea of how many bottles that the people want. So then we'll pull enough, because our goal is whatever they make, we want to recreate it so it's the same. So the longer it stays in the barrel, and the variables are changing, so we want to make sure that all the variables are the same. So like hey Joe, good to see you, man. But so that's why the Battle of the Blend stuff, we already transferred them into stainless, those barrels. So now when everybody comes during a 30-day period, everybody's working from the exact same
variables. Nothing's changing.
Yeah, nothing's changing.
Ah, that's funny. So you've already picked the barrels for Battle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, everything matters, man. Details matter. Hey.